everyone, on this occasion we would like to present our topic, selling and sales management. This presentation will discuss the concept of selling as well as the importance of effective sales management in achieving company goals. This presentation is prepared by my friend
Gita Alessandria
and me, dearly Eugenia Safasenambela. We hope this presentation can help you better to understand how selling strategies and sales management are applied in this company. Without further ado, let's begin to our presentation. So let's start this presentation about selling and sales management of 2000 by Geza Alessandria and dearly Eugenia Safasenambela.
So why we choose A2000? We choose A2000 because it's a trusted and reliable Toyota dealer with a good track record. In Bandung, the location is easy to reach, the staff are helpful, and the service process is straightforward. A2000 also provide everything in one place, buying a car, servicing, spare part, and insurance, so customer don't need to go anywhere else. Another reason is the consistency. The team follows clear service standard, the waiting area is comfortable, and the service results are dependable. Overall, A2000 Bandung is chosen because it's convenient, trustworthy, and gives a smooth customer experience.
Research methodology. The study uses a qualitative descriptive approach to understand research activities at A2000. This method helps us explore actual behaviors, workflows, and challenges experienced by the sales team through direct explanation and observation. Further data collection was gathered through semi-structured interviews, about 30 until 45 minutes, with a sales manager focusing on sales processes, customer handling, targets, tools, and daily operation. And the participants are sales manager and sales teams.
Next, for company profile, A2000 is an official dealership operation. The vehicle are manufactured by TM Manufacturing Indonesia and distributed nationwide through the A2000 network. The company offers comprehensive service, car sales, maintenance, spare part, insurance, and financing all in one place. Branch distribution Jakarta, West Java, East Java, Sumatra, Bali, and Kalimantan. Also, Bandung has 7 branches. For main product, the vehicle, A2000 sells the complete line of the cars in Indonesia, including passenger cars, SUV models, sedan and hybrid model, and commercial vehicle. A2000 one-stop shopping service, T-car sales, official maintenance service, genuine T-parts, spare parts, insurance service, GO asuransi AB, financing service, TAF, our emergency assistant, free for A2000 buyers.
So this is for the company structure. The organizational structures consists of branch head, and then sales coordinator. They also have the finance and administration head, service head, account executive supervisor, FA coordinator, and the other organizational.
Next, for sales environment analysis, the sales environment of A2000 is shaped by change in consumer behavior, digital transformation, increasing dealership competition, financing policies, and overall economic condition. These factors require the company to continuously adjust its selling approach to stay relevant and competitive. First, customers are more research-driven. Customer compare price, check on review, and calculate credit by themselves. Sales must give clear information, honest guidance, and personalized recommendation. Competition is getting stronger. A2000 competes with other Toyota, other T dealers, other brand, and online platform. Winning point is not only price, but better service, faster response, and clear credit info. Digitalization changed the customer journey. Most customers begin their interaction online through chat or social media before visiting the showroom. This requires fast response, accurate details, and consistent follow-up supported by digital tools. High dependence on leasing and credit rules. Most customers buy cars with credit. Interest rates, down payment rules, and leasing approval strongly affected sales. Sales must understand financing and overall realistic credit option. For economic condition affect buying power, inflation, fuel price, and economic uncertainty makes customer more sensitive to monthly payments. A2000 needs flexible program like seasonal promos, trade-in deals, or low installment plans.
For the sales analysis, first one, personal selling skills. Salespeople apply a consultative approach using SPIN, focusing on understanding customer needs, explaining product details, and addressing objection. This builds trust and leads to solutions that fit the customer's budget and usage. This approach builds trust and strengthens the buyer-seller relationship. Second is direct selling. Direct selling at A2000 includes showroom visit, test drive, exhibition, and outreach to database contacts. Salespeople approach potential buyers directly during events, convert walk-in customers, and conduct cold calls through the SAM system or Ring One database. Direct interaction remains essential because customers still prefer to see and test the car before deciding. Relationship selling. Long-term relationships are maintained using the same system. Salespeople follow up consistently, remind customer or service schedules, and support them after delivery. They also encourage referrals and repeat purchases. This continuous engagement increases customer loyalty and long-term value for the dealership.
Next, for sales perspective analysis. A2000 sales perspective is shaped by its role as the largest retailer in Indonesia. The dealership views selling not as a one-time transaction, but as a long-term customer partnership supported by digital system structure, follow-up, and strong service ecosystem. Customer understanding as the core of selling. A2000 sales approach places customer needs as the starting point of every interaction. Sales advisors are trying to diagnose customer concerns such as monthly installment, vehicle usage patterns, and long-term maintenance costs before recommending any model. This creates a more relevant, trustworthy buying experience. Transparency as a seller differentiator. Clear explanation of price, credit schemes, and timeline builds trust. Customer feel informed rather than pressure, increasing closing probability. Integrate ecosystem value. Customer experience more value because A2000 provide financing, insurance, spare part, and workshop service in one system. Sales support doesn't stop after delivery. Also, data-driven relationship selling. Same system helps maintain structure follow-up, track service reminder, and build long-term relationship. Customer retention becomes easier because information is not lost. Professionalization of the sales role. Sales advisors are expected to be product consultant, financial advisor, and service coordinator who explain product option, financing alternatives, and after sales process. Continuous training keeps them competent. Next.
For the sales management analysis, first recruitment and selection. A2000 selects salespeople based on communication ability, discipline, and customer focus. New employees receive onboarding about service standards, sales targets, and ethical guidelines to ensure alignment from the start. Next is selling process. A2000 applies a consultative selling approach using SPIN, situation, problem, implication, and need. Salespeople do not immediately offer a car. Instead, they first explore their customer needs, concerns, and financial ability and daily usage. All interactions, follow-ups, and progress are recorded in the SAM system to ensure transparency and consistency monitoring. For the motivation and training, sales motivation is driven through monthly targets, incentives, recognition, and performance monitoring. Salespeople understand their AE level targets, which creates clear expectation. Training is provided through coaching, product knowledge modules, communication practice, and mandatory e-learning and skill assessment using the e-talent platform. This ensures salespeople stay updated and competent. The last one is organization and compensation. The sales structure consists of a sales manager and several accounts executives, each with monthly sales quotas. Activities are reviewed through daily briefings, SIM dashboards, and regular evaluation meetings. Compensation includes a fixed salary plus incentives and commission, which increase salespeople reach higher sales levels or sell additional services such as financing, insurance, or accessories.
Next, for source control analysis, source forcing and bridging. Source control at A2000 is driven by SEM-based monitoring and structure oversight. Self-searching involves daily target reminder, monitoring suspect, prospect closing progression, ensuring each salesperson has active leads, mandatory data input compliance, enforcement of minimum monthly unit requirements. Sales bridging focus on linking sales activities with wider organizational support, coordination with financing partners, collaboration with after-sales service for maintenance and warranty follow-up, integration with marketing team for exhibition and digital campaigns, cross-department communication to support customer experience, bridging ensure the sales efforts are not isolated but part of a cohesive ecosystem. Next. Also, for Salesforce evaluation is conducted continuously through some dashboard and manager review meetings. Key performance indicator KPIs include monthly unit achievement, accuracy and completeness of SAM input, activity level, call follow-up meeting, pameran involvement, conversion rate from suspect to prospect, customer satisfaction and service follow-up consistency. Underperformance is addressed through coaching session, additional training, or targeted intervention. High performers achieve recognition and reward-based incentive.
Now we're gonna discuss about self-motivation, mobilization, and multiplication analysis. First is motivation. Sales team stays motivated because personal goals. Each salesperson has meaningful long-term goals like family and financial stability and career growth. Weekly affirmation, appreciation every Monday and Friday helps maintain the confidence. Next is recognition and rewards, and last, achievement are recognized and linked with incentive and bonuses. For the outcome, they work consistently, stay disciplined, and show strong commitment toward targets. For mobilization, skills are continuously improved through first coaching. Next is situational coaching adapts to each salesperson development level. Training like e-talent and internal coaching updates product knowledge and selling techniques through spin that we already talked about. Structure process goals, weekly follow-up, prospecting, proposal creation, and test drive scheduling. For the outcome, salespeople became more confident, professional, and effective in handling customers. Lastly is multiplication. Team performance is scaled through first is clear culture, customer focus, integrity, respect and excellence as daily behavioral standards. Next is system support like SAM, ensure continuous follow-up and activity transparency, team collaboration, cross-department teamwork, and for the outcome, sales result increase sustainability, not only dependent on individuals but share system and culture.
Next, summary of key finding for sales perspective. Modern sales focus on understanding what customer really need. Salespeople must listen well, follow up, adapt their style, and communicate clearly. There are different types of selling, such as order takers, order getters, and selling to consumer or business. For sales environment, the sales environment is shaped by how customers behave. Individual customers often buy based on emotion, while organizations use a more structured and rational process. The environment also includes distribution channels, marketing systems, supply chain management, and public relations. Salespeople must also follow ethical rules by being honest and avoiding pressure selling. Sales technique help salespeople attract and keep customer. Outbound selling means reaching out to customer directly, while inbound selling happens when customer come through social media or website. Techniques like scarcity, add value, and product demonstration are often used. The most important principle is to listen first, then offer the right solution. And for sales management includes recruiting the right people, motivating them, and giving proper training. Sales team need clear goals, fair incentive, and strong product knowledge. The organization also use a combination of salary and commission to reward performance. Sales control focus on forecasting, budgeting, and evaluating performance. Forecasting predict future sales, but budgeting sets revenue plans, and evaluation checks how well the sales team performs. Performance is measured both by number and by how well salespeople handle customer.
Next is summary of the findings that we analyzed from 10 worksheets. The analysis showed that the sales team is strongly aligned in personal motivation, sales culture, and performance-driven behavior. The trust triad results indicate high credibility, reliability, and intimacy, reflecting strong leadership and contributing to a cohesive and disciplined team environment. Next, the sales culture worksheet highlights core values: customer focus, integrity, respect, and excellence, which guide daily habits and collaboration. Motivation metrics findings reveal that team members are driven by meaningful long-term goals such as family welfare, financial stability, and entrepreneurial ambition, strengthening their resilience and commitment. Sales coaching sales strategies defining the coaching approach based on the team's high maturity level. And from the worksheet that the company gave to us is around levels 3 and 4. Weekly affirmation from leadership reinforce confidence and emotional engagement, while the sales goal grids provide structure, measurable steps that connect daily actions to long-term objectives. Coaching assessment shows that the team is highly competent and committed, requiring advanced on coaching focus on empowerment and strategic refinement. Goals grid structuring and monitoring measurable sales process goals necessary achieving final results. Last, team meeting preparation ensuring effectiveness of team gatherings for communication, role modeling, and strategic alignment.
Next, for recommendation for the company sales management development, first implement a daily sales dashboard or war room. Implement a real-time dashboard in the sales area displaying a daily activity KPIs to transform monotonous follow-up tasks into a public engaging daily competition. Second, instant reward program. Provide instant non-monetary recognition like voucher parking for the highest daily activity score to build consistent work habits by rewarding effort immediately, not just future sales result. And manager's role, the sales manager shifts from supervising to an energy facilitator, using the dashboard to lead strategic discussion and motivate the team, reinforcing a competitive and supportive work environment.
That's all for our presentation. Hope this presentation can help us to understand more about sellings and sales management analysis. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.